Hello everyone, a wonderful day to all of you and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson. And for today's video, we're going to talk about the Exness account types. We'll be discussing the detailed information about these different account types that Exness used to offer to their clients. Now, if you are looking for information and other details about this topic, now this video is for you. And if this is your first time visiting our channel, you may consider to subscribe, especially if you are interested with the kind of content that would empower and give us additional knowledge how we are going to make money online. So let's proceed. Generally speaking, there are three classifications of Exness trading account types. First, the standard. Second, the professional accounts. And lastly, the demo trading account. And first that we are going to discuss is this standard account. According to Exness, this is the most popular account and great for all types of traders. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned one, this type of account can fit in with your trading needs. Now, the minimum deposit, it depends upon on the payment system available within your country. And the best part is talking about spread. Of course, Exness is one of the best broker in terms of lowest spread on their trading services. It starts with 0.2 pips, no commission. The leverage is 1:1 unlimited. And with this standard account type, we can trade with Forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energies, stocks, and indices. And you can start trading with this account for as low as 0.01 lot. And also, swap free on selected markets is available. If you don't have any trading account in Exness, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. The link is like this one. Then you can simply click it and you will be directly routed with the sign up page of Exness official website. You can start signing up by putting your country, then your email address, and you create your desired password, then continue. You just need to follow the instruction and input information needed. And for the final part, you're going to verify your trading account with your valid IDs as proof of identity and proof of address. Now we are going to discuss about the accounts that meet the needs of the most experienced traders. And as to Exness, this is called professional accounts, which is being classified into three: the pro account, zero account, and the raw spread account. Highlights include low spread or spread-free accounts with execution to suit scalpers, day traders, and algo traders. Now let's have the comparison of this three classification of Exness professional accounts. And first, we're going to talk about the Pro, an instant execution account with zero commission and low spread. Minimum deposit is $200. Spread starts from 0.1 pips. No commission. Maximum leverage is 1:1 unlimited. And we can trade this Pro account with Forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energies, stocks, and indices. Next, the zero professional account with a very clear description as zero spread on top 30 instruments. Market execution, no recoats. Minimum deposit again is $200 like the Pro. Spread from 0 pips. Commission from $0.05 each side per lot. Leverage is 1:2 unlimited. And with this zero account, we can trade Forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energies, stocks, and indices. Finally, the raw spread account. Lowest spread with fixed commission per lot, market execution. And the minimum deposit is $200. Spread from 0 pips, commission up to 3.50 each side per lot. Leverage is 1:2 unlimited. And with this account, we can trade with Forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, energy, stocks, and indices. With these professional accounts, we can trade for as low as 0.01 lot, and swap free is available in some instruments. Now, the last but not the least, the demo trading account. The Exness risk-free demo trading account offers you the benefit of sharpening your trading skills and strategies, as well as mastering Exness unique trading tools without financial risk. Of course, we cannot underestimate the benefits of doing trading in demo account, most especially if we are a beginner. As it is being said here, demo trading account can be your secret weapon to test out strategies and hone your skills with zero risk. And as to Exness, here's how you'll benefit. First, risk-free practice. Next, skill development. Third, platform orientation. And lastly, strategy testing. Alright? I'm going to put a link in the description section of this video for the official website of Exness so that you can explore more information and details about this trading broker with their platforms and at the same time with the trading accounts that they offer for us traders. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and good luck with your trading journey.